Hello guys, this is Ivan. It is Sunday afternoon, late afternoon, about 6 o'clock p.m. But you see, we still trade. Why we trade? Because with crypto you can use any of my products, most of the product, 90%. And you need a broker that accepts cryptos, and that's it. You see now, this moment we are trading with Bitcoin on M5 with eScalper. So about eScalper, I made at least 50 videos in last 6 weeks. So for more, you please go back and find out how it works. Watch dozens live tradings, profits, everything. So quickly I will just say that it works on M5 the best. I'm using it on gold, Bitcoin, and on other normal Forex pairs. It is good that you have low spreaded broker here, and this is it. So why I am talking this to you? It is trailing stop has closed the trade. I am talking to you why? Because I am reminding you on the promo we have for all my products still today. I will repeat, but go back to my Friday video, previous one or previous two, in which you can get free expert advisors, free EAs, any of your choice, for only one today 49 euros. Free expert advisors. So this is half of the price of any expert advisor. And for this half price of any, or for eScalper it is maybe 20% of a real price, you will get free with 5 licenses. So this is first offer. Second offer, if you don't want expert advisors, free indicators, any of your choice from my web page, for only 119 plus 5 licenses. So you can go to my web page and choose any you like. Just go here. And what I forgot, very important, as a bonus, any option you choose, free EAs for 149 or free indicators for 119, you will get this as a gift today, only today. So this is what I try to remind you, that it is still active, so it is about 5-6 hours until the end of this huge, one of the top promos lately. So this is always a gift. So in fact you get 4 products for 119 euros or 149 if you choose extra advisors. Or guys, if you have any other combinations, contact me, I will try to make the best. And my strategy, please go back in last several videos I showed many live tradings. It is fantastic. This is not indicator, this is not expert advisor, this is knowledge you will get and learn to trade really, guys, as a pro. You will be independent, your boss, trade everywhere, every day, anytime you want, and make money. I cannot find now where is my strategy here to show you, but in last few videos I explained, I showed live tradings and everything. So this